Hey folks, welcome back. We are at my favorite part of the app creation process, which is, of course, the styling. We worked so hard to add so many features to it. If you haven't gone back and taken a look, we have been vibe coding together a little workspace app with productivity tools that you may need while you're working throughout your day. We've been using the Kendo UI AI coding assistant, which has made everything a total breeze. I don't think we've coded more than like 1 or 2 lines by hand. Maybe. If you're jumping in here, my name's Kathryn Grayson Nams. I'm the Senior Developer Advocate for KendoReact at Progress, and this is my friend.
Hey guys, I'm Kalii Medina. I'm a front-end developer and UI designer. Nice to see you.
All right. Now I think I'm going to make you do all the hard work on this one. No, I know. All the hard work of AI generating.
Okay.
As you guys know, there's a lot of components in Kendo. Over 120 in KendoReact altogether. And keeping track of all the classes and all the styling for that can be a lot of work, which is why we have ThemeBuilder, which is our way of being able to edit the styles in a really quick WYSIWYG editor. And even faster than that, we can now tell our AI theme generator what we want it to look like, and it will do all the work for us. So if you don't mind, why don't we create a new project here?
Sounds good. Okay, I'm going to call it my workspace because I like that name.
Perfect.
And default and create a project. Okay, cool.
And here even we got the pop-up about the AI theme generation, which is exactly what we're here for.
Hooray! I'm going to exit out of this. Okay.
Perfect. So as you can see here, we've got a representation of all of our components in a live preview. So you can like click the buttons, open the drop downs, see how everything works, check the design state of all of your stuff, which is really nice because I feel like a lot of times you just kind of see like a static thing, but that doesn't capture like what color the buttons turn when you hover over them or like all the little interaction nitty-gritty details that you do actually really care about when you're building a UI design. So I am a big fan of ThemeBuilder. But actually, instead of changing all of the variables by hand that you can see there along the left-hand side, we are going to click into that Create with AI toggle at the top of the column. Okay, and let it do the work for us. So I'm going to hand it back over to you. What theme do you imagine for our workspace? And before you type it in and hit generate, I will point out there's a little advanced settings thing there, and you can open that up.
Okay.
That will let you change a couple of things. So first is light or dark mode. So you think about which one you want for this case. But I actually really like the creativity slider here, which tells it how crazy it can get. So yeah, exactly.
Aim for 100%.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. Okay. So because it's workspace, my brain immediately goes to a space theme.
Ooh, I like that.
I don't know why. But so yeah, I would love it if it were to give me kind of like a HUD, not kind of like a HUD system of a space UI. Does that make sense?
I didn't know what you like, kind of sci-fi tech
Yeah.
feature, cyberpunk, like
Yeah, for sure.
that.
Okay. What are your thoughts on that?
I love it. Let's do it. It sounds like a dark mode theme, is my only other thought about that.
Yeah, definitely dark mode. My life is in the dark. Okay. 'Cause I'm assuming feel and aesthetic could go for even font, right? Or should I just, I think that to me, that's fine. Do you think that there should be more information on that?
I think that'll probably do, unless there's any specific color that you want it to use. But we could also just leave it
No,
up.
I wanted to leave it and just roll with those two things.
Let's find out. Let's take a
Okay.
look. Now, I will say, I don't think it will change the font for us as part of the AI generation. It will change the like colors and some of that. If we want to change the font, we can certainly do that. It's not super hard. But It's just gonna do,
Good.
yeah, colors and all that. What are we thinking? Because we can also tell it to generate again and take another shot at it.
It's funny that it did a Tron-like feel. That's kind of what I'm getting from this vibe. Um, and I want it to try again just to see what its second pass would do.
It is funny.
Ooh, that's fun.
Both of us went,
Ooh.
wow. I wasn't expecting the purple. But no, when you were saying like the heads-up display, the like HUD in the astronaut thing, that shade of blue is actually the first thing that I thought of. So I
That's
do feel
fun.
like it read my mind a little bit.
It did.
The purple shocked me. I did not see that one coming.
No, I was not ready for the purple, mostly because I wouldn't have put the purple. But okay, so I can just have it.
So you've got kind of a couple options here. You can leave it with that description and tell it to generate again, and it will take another shot at that. Or if there's
Okay.
anything from this that you were like, actually, now that I've seen it, I want to tweak my prompt, of course you can do that too.
No, I think I want to see what it does again. So we're just gonna have it do it again.
Yep.
Oh, I should have gone all the way up. Let's be surprised again.
Ooh, I like the kind of
Yeah.
glowing feel that
Me
it gave it.
too.
It's a similar blue, but it's not the same. It's like a little bit greener. And there's
It
more
is.
variation.
There's a lot
It's
more variation. Oh,
so
yeah,
it
even
feels like
like
a
this.
little softer. Like it's a little like cuter, if that
It
makes
is, yeah.
sense.
Oh, there's even like, oh, see, I think I like this.
Yeah, that one's fun.
Yeah, I like it. Okay, I'm happy.
Awesome. So now if you, there we go. So if you go all the way down that side, you'll see the apply to current button, and that will apply it
Okay,
across all of our components.
perfect. Okay, hitting
That's
confirm.
good. A quick little check just in case we weren't sure.
I appreciate that.
Okay, and now if we toggle back over to the Kendo UI theme, we should see it all there. It's looking good. Perfect. So
Ah,
yeah.
yes, here they are. The biggest thing there is the colors.
So yeah, if there's anything that we wanted to change, we could do it here. I'm pretty happy with all of these, honestly.
Yeah, no, I think it covers everything that we wanted in that little prompt that we gave it.
Yeah, I kind of feel like it nailed it. So
Yeah.
let's just export some CSS.
Sweet. Okay, so
So we're gonna
here.
want to hit our export all up
Sounds
there.
good.
Now, if we were feeling really picky, if we were really worried about performance, we could narrow down to just the components that we're using. And if I was building something like for production, I probably would do that. But in this case, we're just kind of building something for funsies, and minified CSS just doesn't take up that much space.
True.
So what we should have gotten here is a zip folder, and that will have the minified CSS and the Sass if we wanted to use that. So
That's good.
we'll open those up. And I think in our case, the CSS is going to be the easiest. We didn't install Sass again because it was just like a quick little fun project.
Yes.
So let's pop open that file.
Oh, you want to pop it open?
Yeah, I do. Because I want to move it on over into everything in here. Let's just copy it and paste it into our global CSS file back in our project.
Sounds good. There it is.
Perfect. So we can honestly just replace all that. Yeah, so we noticed a couple things that we do want to swap up.
Yeah.
First is our background color, which I think we will probably just want to add in ourselves. That's probably the easiest way to do that is to just add a body like color manually.
Okay.
For the app bar, though, let's swap back over into ThemeBuilder and take a look. Because I'm curious whether that should have been styled here. So I kind of think that maybe a style got applied inline when we generated it. That's overwriting the ThemeBuilder style here.
Oh, yes. Yeah, here's the app bar.
So it's gray with the like blue drop shadow here, which is much more in line with our theme. So let's pop back over to our code because my gut feeling is there's an inline, like a direct style being applied in our header. Yep.
Yep. All right.
So easy fix at least.
Yeah, I'm just gonna remove it. Actually, I feel like I can remove the whole style since we.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You shouldn't have to.
Okay. Now.
Awesome.
Hey.
Got it. So that's fixed. And I think when we get our background color fixed, that's going to feel a lot better too.
Okay. So that would just be.
Yeah, let's just add at the very beginning, like just
a body tag and then.
Yeah, body. And just say like background color black. Easy. Okay. Why complicate things?
Yeah, we don't need to do that. There we go.
There we go. Easy peasy.
Yes.
Now, the one thing that is bugging me, I will say, the text. So we must have some inline styles being applied to our text.
I was looking at that too. Oh.
Yep.
The right there. Why? Okay.
Let's just remove all the inline styles.
Okay, sounds good.
No need.
Sounds good. No, let's not do that. Okay. It's probably because we're not using the app bars text and all that, right? Like
I wonder
props.
I think it's because it's wrapped in a div in our app bar and not in like an H1, which is probably more traditional. Let's swap that div over to an H1.
Sounds good.
That way we can be semantically correct.
Hooray!
You should don't wrap your text in divs, children.
Yes.
Bad practice. Okay, now we're talking.
Yes.
Okay.
Yay!
Awesome. That looks so good.
It looks great. I'm so happy.
And I think all we did manually was change the background color, which we probably could have done in ThemeBuilder if we wanted to, but frankly, I was feeling kind of lazy. That's probably something, again, if this was a project I was maintaining, I would go back and add it in ThemeBuilder so that as we iterated over the design or if we wanted to change things in the future, all of that would be captured. But since we're just doing this for fun, it was pretty easy to just add that black as a background color directly into our code. So all things considered, we just vibe coded a whole app.
And I love her. She is beautiful.
I'm really happy. I would use this. Like, this is actually nice.
Right?
And as we think of other things, we could just come add them in. The card layout is super modular, and we didn't have to mess with CSS grid. We just let it do the hard work.
Exactly.
But yeah, I'm all in all pretty impressed with the AI coding assistant.
No, yeah, this has been great, especially too. I am a newer user to KendoReact, so relying on the AI assistant to just kind of know the components for me and being able to say, hey, I think this might work for you. Let's give it a shot. And this is great. This is not, a ton of time wasted on my part pulling my hair out. So this is, I still have my hair, so we're great.
Perfect. I love to end a project with a full head of hair. All right. Well, thank you guys, folks, for following along with our journey here. I hope you have just as much fun and just as much success vibe coding your own apps with the Kendo UI AI coding assistant. Catch you later.
Bye.